Hey everybody out there, this is Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage. The Anglia is not here because we left it off about a week and a half ago at Riggs Restorations to have the hood fabricated, and it's almost done, so maybe in the next day or so we'll be picking it up. In the meantime, Lou has decided that we do in fact need a anti-roll bar in the rear of the car. So he's busy fabricating, designing and fabricating stuff. So how's this going to work, Lou?
Okay, this is the way this is. Okay, this is a piece of
cold rolled
tubing, drawn. It's seamless. Okay, it's got a 3/16 wall. Okay, and then these arms I made. This will weld onto here, and then there'll be a piece of tube that goes in here once it's all ready to weld together.
Oh, to help hold it together?
Yeah, to hold it all together. And then these here go on the rear end. I'm not for sure yet if I'll use these on the rear end, or I could go hook on, weld onto my
the 4-bar
bracket that's down there.
Oh, the one that's on the rear end
yeah.
housing.
Yeah, and then there'll be a small sleeve or piece in here with rod ends on both ends. Okay, and then where it'll hook onto the frame, this is the wrong side, but I got bearings like this coming for 1.25 inches, like that, and then this will slide into the bearings. And then I'll machine this for this to go drop inside here, and then this will be about yay wide. And then it'll be a piece of flat plate welded onto this, and then that'll bolt onto the frame.
Oh, sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
So
this actually, once this is all welded together, it'll be able to flex up and down. It'll right inside the bearings, flex up and down, and then when it tries to tweak, it should keep it from tweaking.
Yeah, I don't. As heavy as this stuff is, I don't think it'll go at all either side to side, which is good.
Yeah.
Much more stable. Okay, so are we going to do this under the car, or are we going to pull
I'll measure all this stuff under the car.
Are we going to pull the rear end?
And now pull the rear end out, because I got to repair the rear end. The damn bolts, I got a bad bolt on it where I can't get it tight enough to...
Oh, you're talking about the pumpkin.
Pull that out.
The bottom bolt is...
Yeah, that's sort of leaking, so might as well fix it, get it all done.
Oh yeah, it's a stud.
It's
a stud, and it's short. Right.
Yeah. The new ones are a little longer too.
Okay, so we're going to replace that stud weld.
I might replace 3 or 4 of them in there.
That wouldn't be a bad idea.
Because they're longer.
Okay.
I got a set of them,
So this is, I don't think I said, this would be episode 77 on YouTube video. And this would be segment 1, of course. So this is just to get caught up, because hopefully in the next day or two we're going to pick up the car, and then we'll proceed working on this. And I'll tell you, that'll probably be segment 2.
Yeah, that's going to be a lot of work pulling everything apart.
No, not like we got nothing else to do.
Yeah, really, they ain't got nothing else to do.
Okay, so that's about it for this segment. We'll catch you all later. Everybody take care out there. Don't forget, subscribe, like, whatever that thing is to do. Appreciate it. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Looks good. Hi, we're recording. Hey, it's November 4th, vote day. Election day, everybody get out there and do your job, vote. That's your privilege. Vote for whoever you want. Anyway, it's November 4th, 2025. It's also my anniversary today, and
congratulations.
I did remember to tell her happy anniversary, so I'm not in the total doghouse. Anyway, as you can see, we have picked the Anglia up, and it has a hood. Pretty good job. It's what we wanted. We've been talking to Lou about making side panels, and the side panels will probably have louvers punched into the side panels to let the air out.
Yeah, here we go.
Yeah, these have been cut off of our fiberglass. Yeah.
So it'd be something like that.
Yeah.
Side panels in with louvers.
The other way.
Huh?
Angle the other way. Yeah, they
no,
gotta line up with this.
You wouldn't put louvers this way on the hood.
No.
You'd put them this way.
No, louvers would be straight on the hood.
No.
Yep.
No. At an angle.
So, alright, whatever. Anyway, we noticed that they do not have the air cleaner on. There was some question whether it would clear. We thought it would clear. I suspect that they took it off while they were working this. So we'll pull that off and check and see if it fits. If not, we'll do something else. In the meantime, Lou, let's catch up. Oh, this is episode 77. This would be segment 2. Segment 1 is already in the can. So here we are with the forthcoming anti-sway bar for the rear end. Lou has got these pieces together. You can see they're welded with tubes to make them tight. And then originally we had been talking about...
Yeah, have fun getting it off. They're tight, but don't even worry about it.
Anyway, this is a bearing. God. Which this was designed to be that, and then that would be welded to that, and then this would be welded to the frame someplace. What we're thinking, though, is that it might be better to use a bronze bushing and not have to worry about it. It'll be all lubed, of course, when we get together. But this already fits here, and as you can see, this almost fits there. Probably on the lathe, take a half a thou or something out of it so that zero clearance is in there. And then there would be a
set collar.
A what?
A set collar.
A set collar, similar to what we did on the steering column.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
same thing.
Yeah, with two halves that are screwed together, be tight against this, tight on that, and that will keep this from moving laterally side to side. And then this is made extra long, will obviously be trimmed. We haven't decided how this end's going to go. We have to, take the rear end out first?
Well, I need to measure all that shit and see exactly where it's got to sit.
So we got to jack it up and
get all the measurements, and then
take 5 minutes to lay down.
And then, like I say, I don't know if this is going to go in the frame like this, or if this will sit on the side like that. On the down slope or the up slope.
Yeah, because that's what we got to kick up.
Yeah, right, the kick up.
Yeah.
I'm more thinking it's going to go like that.
I kind of think we'll go that way too.
See, those just be bolted to the frame.
All right, so the next job is to get the Anglia jacked up.
Yep, jack it all the way up and start getting some measurements and stuff.
All right, and then we're going to actually take the whole housing out.
Well, not right now.
No.
I'll if I'm going with clevises on this end, this way, to those brackets, I really won't have to pull it. Just all I gotta do is just drill
What
a hole
about
in there.
replacing the studs on the Pumpkin, the third member.
Yeah, but I changed that. Just pulled the pumpkin out and beat him out.
From underneath.
Yeah.
Okay.
It all depends.
All right.
You know.
Okay, so I think we're getting to about the end of this. One more shot of Gidget, the dog. And the Anglia.
Yeah, definitely looks like a car now.
Yeah, yeah. Looks a hell of a lot more complete.
Yeah.
So,
it makes a difference.
in either case, we got to be together for the 9th, which is the Sergeant Viola car show. We'll be taking both vehicles there, my Coupe and the Anglia. All right, so I think I'm going to publish this afternoon. I got enough to.
Do you want the camera out of the car?
No, because I don't know if I told you or not, but the camera, if there's any kind of video of the camera, there's no speaking, human speaking, and then the YouTube doesn't make a closed captioning automatic.
Oh, okay. All right.
And I got one old guy like me, a Navy guy, who can't hear it.
Okay,
Same problem with me.
Okay. Well, let me unplug that baby. This light's still running.
Oh, yeah.
Time out.
Huh?
Does the camera time out, or do you got to actually turn it off?
I can't remember. But yeah, I'm
No, there's still a picture on there, so it's got to be running.
Well, pull it down, and I'll take it with me just in case there's some footage that I might want to use, although I don't think so. I kind of think that too much driving on the road tends to be a bit boring
Get that baby
to the view. Oh, you rotate it to the left, counterclockwise. Okay. This is going to be the end of segment 2 and probably episode 77. I'm going to take this all home, see if I can make some sense of the video and publish it. So, take care, everybody out there. We'll catch you up probably the next time with how the anti-sway bar goes. So, take care, everybody out there. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, don't forget, get out and vote.
Yeah.
Okay.
Amen.
All right, bye-bye.